Hello guys, KLARUS has yet again sent me a new flashlight for reviewing on my channel. This one is the WL1. This is a nice one because this is a work light with a magnetic holder. So let me show you this. Came in this plastic holder, and inside here you have a USB-A to USB-C. You have, it's supposed to falls from 1 meter, so that should not be a problem. You have a brochure which shows different light they have in their collection. And of course you have a manual, and that one is in English and in Chinese as usual, and also Dutch, Polish, Swedish, Turkish, Japan, I don't know. A lot of languages. Here you can see it. Let me put on some light. There we go. So if you like to read what's on, you can just pause the film and read whatever you like here. And on the other side, this is Chinese and some warnings in all languages. The torch itself is very, very nice build. Strong. You feel it feels durable. You can open it like this. You cannot turn it. It's not possible to turn it because of this is the metal part. So very high quality. You have a hook to hang it. You have a magnet. Let me see. Yeah, it's quite strong actually. I will show you a little later in the clip. To show you how this switch is working, because this one has several functions. When you first time you press it, you will get it onto, I think it's medium setting, and you get charging indicator that shows you how much juice there are in the battery. USB-C. Let's close this one and have a look at the USB-C. Looks like this. It's kind of water and dust proof with this one. I will have to check that later for you. Look at the nice logo. Okay. The light will come on when you touch the button, and it will turn off when you turn it again, touch it again. But there is some secrets to this one. Not secret. It's a 3-second rule. When you start it, you will, if you press it again within 3 seconds, you will change, light output. And it will go to different patterns. And then this was the last one, and it's off. If you turn it on and wait for 3 seconds, then you can turn it off again. You have also one small one on tipper. So if you press it for a second, it will switch to the tip, and press it for a second again, it will go back. And the tip, which also is called, I think it was a spotlight, this is the same thing. Let me show you, take it on, and within 3 seconds, you can adjust it 2 steps. 3 steps. Now off, low, high, and off. Yeah, 2 steps. And then it will remember this setting. So you have to press and hold it for a second again, and then we are back on this one. And if you touch the switch within 3 seconds, you can change the modes. If you wait for 3 seconds, then you can turn it off. Nice one. Locks to something here. I think it's some kind of, what do you call this, slanted or something? Because its touch is on the top. So if you press it down, it will lock in place, and you will not be able to shake this one out again without using your fingers. One more thing, guys, I forgot to show you. There is a hole in the bottom for this tiny spotlight. So if you turn it on, let's see, here we have it on, and press and hold the button for 1 second. Voila, you have a flashlight. KLARUS guys, eh? Clever boys. And then of course, short press and off, press, high, off. You cannot turn it around like I told you in the beginning. Everything is made from very solid plastic and metal. This is the critical part, the hinge, which is made of metal. Very nice construction. I really liked it. You can feel it straight away that this is a high quality one. Rubberized handle, rubberized switch, rubberized lid for the charging port. So I guess this one will have some kind of IP protection grade. I will have to look it up. Maybe we can check it right away. IPX5. That's the same as a normal garden hose. You can use it to flush it with a normal garden hose. That is very nice. Okay, solid hook. Looks like it's made from stainless steel. Let's test that one with a magnet. Definitely stainless steel, no magnetic here. But here you have a magnet, and that one is good. I will show you over there. Yeah, I don't know if it's more to tell about this one. Yeah, we can test it in the dark room and also test the magnet over on the tool cabinet. All right, let's see if I close this one. It's maybe better to see. Okay, let's test the magnet. You can throw it on it, and yeah, you can push it down, but it's still strong. Yes, you can probably open the door with it. Yes, you can. Even over here, yeah. I will say the magnet is plenty good enough. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, there we go. Then to the dark room. Okay, we are in the dark room and you cannot see anything, of course. Let me try to push this one on. First step looks like this. Second step looks like this. And you can see the pattern maybe. It's long, of course, since it's a long flashlight. And now we have a problem. We have to turn it off, on. Step 1, step 2, step 3, which is the lowest, and down to the red one. Let's see if you can see this. Yes, you can very well actually. And then of course I was a little too late, so now it's turning off, on, low, high, super low, red blinking, very nice, and off. Then you can take the top tip, pressing and holding it. This is, sorry, we have to be quick here. On, high, off, low, high, off. Works amazingly nice. Can you see me in this one? Not that you need to see me all the time, but and it is very strong. What is the lowest one? No, it was the lowest one. This is high, off. And then hold it for a second, and you're back on this one. High, ultra low. Okay, I think that's it. And you can also see the nice blue LEDs light up here. What is not to like about this flashlight? It is just amazing. All right, this charging is already full, so I don't know how fast the speed is. But yeah, you can see it blinks, 3.3 watt. Okay, guys, there you have it. Fantastic KLARUS WL1. This one is definitely going into my toolbox in my Volkswagen T3, the one I got. That maybe some of you know. Fantastic. Highly recommend this one. And I just want to say thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Test the magnet over on the, what is verktøyskap? Tool locker, tool cabinet.